Infinitives of purpose. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb. We use infinitives after certain verbs. Listen to the examples.
I need to go to the bank. I want to take classes.
Two verbs that are always followed by infinitives are need and want. An infinitive of purpose tells why we do something. It is usually separated from the main verb.
I need to go to the bank to get out some money.
Here, to go is a regular infinitive, but to get is an infinitive of purpose. Notice how to get out some money answers the question, why? Listen to the sentence. What is the infinitive of purpose?
I want to take classes to learn about chemistry.
The infinitive of purpose is to learn. It explains why I want to take classes. An infinitive of purpose is a shortened version of the phrase in order to, which is used to show purpose. Notice how this sentence can be written both ways.
I wear glasses in order to read more easily. I wear glasses to read more easily.
When we see an infinitive in a sentence, we can test whether it is a regular infinitive or an infinitive of purpose. If you insert the phrase in order to, and the sentence still makes sense, it is an infinitive of purpose. Look at these two sentences. Which one has an infinitive of purpose? Which has a regular infinitive? If you said the first sentence uses an infinitive of purpose, you are correct. We can replace to with in order to, and the sentence keeps the same meaning. In the second sentence, however, we cannot insert in order to. So, to do is a regular infinitive, not an infinitive of purpose. One clue that it is a regular infinitive is that it comes immediately after the verb. Listen to the sentences with infinitives. Which ones have an infinitive of purpose?
She called me to ask for some advice. He decided to take some time off. I took some medicine to feel better. We went to the store to buy groceries. It began to rain as soon as we left.
Each of these sentences has an infinitive of purpose to explain why something happened. The other two sentences have regular infinitives. We can place an infinitive of purpose at the beginning of a sentence, before the subject and main verb.
To avoid traffic, I try to leave the house before 7.
Note that if we start a sentence with an infinitive of purpose, we separate it from the subject with a comma. We do not use a comma if the infinitive of purpose appears after the subject. How can we rewrite each sentence so an infinitive of purpose starts the sentence?
To save money, I cook at home. To stay warm, I wore a coat. To keep in touch with family, I use social media.
Notice how we use commas in these sentences to separate the infinitive of purpose from the subject of the sentence.